Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use textpixai to generate content, create pictures, and do anything you want. So first thing you need to do is to go to Google, textpixai. This is the first choice, and then click on the first choice. After clicking on the first choice, when you scroll down, you're going to see so many things here. These are the things, are the features, AI templates, the articles and blogs. This is for bloggers. This is ads and marketing tools. You can see LinkedIn, whatever. Even the articles and blogs, you see blog section, blog conclusion, article writer, talking points, article writer, article outlines, generate praise, and so many things. General writing, you're a teacher or a student, you need a bullet points, answers, and the rest. Text extender, e-commerce, this is it. Social media, you're an influencer, so you can use this, all these ones. YouTube outlines, all these things, you can use this website to generate those things. We also have, I think they also have for website SEO, meta tags, SEO, this is for search engine optimization, and also for song lyrics, translate, tone changer, frequently asked questions, answers, testimonials, and reviews. They can also generate images for you. These are some of the images I think some people have generated before. They also have AI chats. In this, under AI chat, you talk to an expert, but the expert is an AI, maybe an accountant, a cleric, a pastor, or any other person that you want to, maybe you need an advice. So that AI is an expert, and these are their plans. They have a free plan, they have a trial. Free plan is 10,000, trial is 50,000, and I think for per month is just 100,000. So if you subscribe for a month, you will get 100,000. They also have a yearly. They also have a lifetime. So now, and I think yearly is just $45. So I think when you compare it with the $55, you will just pay $45 per year, and that's all, instead of paying 5 times 12. If you pay 5 times 12, definitely it's more than $45. And again, the lifetime, this one you just pay at once, you will never pay again. You only use the website. This is $400 for a lifetime. So now let's go back and see how we can join this website. All you need to do is to click join, and after clicking join, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, continue to scroll down, you come on this box. This box, if you have not joined, you click sign off. After signing off, I think it's very simple. You just give them your name, your email address, and they will send you an email. Once they send you an email, you are going to confirm. Go to your email, click confirm. After confirming, then you come back to the website, put your email address and then your password, then click login. When you click login, you enter. This is my dashboard. I've not used it before. This is my the email address that I've used to register. I've used it with a different email address, but this one is just for tutorial purposes. So I can generate up to 500 images. I can generate up to 50,000 words from this website. And if I want to generate AI images, I'll just click here. These are the AI images. So these are documents that I've generated. These are my documents. all documents, maybe everything that I have generated, but these are AI images. So if I want to generate an image, or let me just say I want to generate a cat sitting on a desk. Let us see what it's going to give us. Generate a cat sitting on a desk. How is it going to be? So it is generating. So this is our cat. As you can see, this is the cat and this is the desk. So all you need to do now is to save your image. So if you want to download, you click here. If you want to close, you close here. So I'm not downloading, so I'll just close. And then if you want to generate AI chat, if you want to chat with an expert, you click here. These are the chats, these are the experts. So as you can see now, for you to be able to use them, you must be able to subscribe. This is Jendo, SEO specialist, business coach, motivational coach, relationship coach, cybersecurity, life coach, career counselor, and this is an AI chat. So if you want to chat, all you need to do is to tell it what you want, and then you continue talking to AI. And this is speech to text. You upload your media and then it will generate results for you. You can also export it as a Word document. You can also export it as a text file. You can copy the text, and so many other things you can do with it. You can even detect the language, what kind of language it is. You can do so many things with this beautiful website. You can generate audio transcription, may take time, so you just type whatever you want to type and then ask the website to textpixai to generate an audio for you. So I think you can also generate an AI code. You can tell the AI to generate a code for you. So this is it. And you can also use a code. You just tell it what you want. Write a JavaScript to function or generate a random string, whatever, and then click generate and it will generate for you. So now let's go back to the main website. Now we have seen what the website is capable of doing. If we go down the features, or when we just click on features, we go down, generate blog ideas, article blogs and blogs. So these are the articles and blogs. You just check, look at what you want. Article writer, this will write an article for you. This will generate an outline, article outlines. Let us try this one and see how it works. Generate an article outline for us. So this is how it works. So you also have other things that you can benefit from. So let us go back. This is if you want to expand the website. Your page. So if you want, let's just go back again. You can go back, just like I said earlier. You can just click on features and it will take you to the as you can see here, they even told us what to do here. This is choose a content creation template. Multiple templates are available for your needs. Enter a detailed description of your content. Tell the AI what you want and get a unique high quality content. So this is how it works. So for instance, now if you are a social media guru, or you maybe want to create a caption for your website, or sorry, for your social media. Let's say you are a Twitter influencer. So all you need to do is to come here. As you can see, you write your topic, write the type of topic, economy, average, premium, whatever. You can just select the language you want. Want it to be in Chinese, Hebrew, Italian, any type of language you want. You have it, you can see from here. And then as you go down, the number of results, you can choose how many results you want, and the number, maximum results length, the length of the result you can choose. Then you click generate and it will generate for you. So this website is very important, and I say let me share it with you. And at the same time, one important thing is that you can also join an affiliate program. You just start, you can click here to become an affiliate, and then maybe tell your people about it. If you're an influencer, tell other people about it, and then you start earning with them. I think this is the code they generated for me. So you just carry your code and then go and use it somewhere, and then start making money from them. And when you start making money, you can withdraw. These are your withdrawals. You can withdraw from them. As you can see, you can make money up to the withdrawal amount is $50. You can withdraw from bank deposit or PayPal, so depends on what you want to use for for, and then write payment details, then withdrawals, and then withdraw your money. So all you need to do is to bring more customers to them, and the more you bring more customers, you have 30% of what you brought of your business. And this is a membership. For membership, if you want to upgrade, for instance, now I want to change my plan. I'm on trial plan now, which is one time, and my trial will expire on 8th of October. So I'll just click on change plan. I'll come here and then click choose plan. So when I click on choose plan, it will bring me here. I can select PayPal payment. What type of payment do you want? One-time payment, maybe I just want to pay one time in a month, and that's all. You want it to be recurring, that is to be paying almost every month, that is recurring. If you want to maybe use a floater web, then you can use it and then click submit. So if I want to use a PayPal, I'll just click submit, and then it will take me to the folder with PayPal login. So it will bring me to my PayPal login, and then I can start generating money from there. So thank you.